Can you take Passy out? Good job. Look at how cute you are without your Passy. Oh, come on. Can you say hi? Can you say snow?
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. Can you make a funny face? Can you make a funny face? Make a silly face. I found you. Can you say hi? Hi. That's you. Can you do this? Can you do... Oh, like that. Oh. Give me that thing. Who's that? Who's coming? Who is it?
Mama.
Should we go get her? Go, boy.
I thought you were upstairs.
Hey, Jackson, want to show Mommy the new toy?
What did we get? Oh! Is he like obsessed with this?
I'm recording. Say bye-bye. Do you want to watch it?